Are you ready to meet the robots that will change the world? Welcome to Emerging Technologies. Scientists worldwide are working on integrating robots into our lives, aiming to make them safe and reliable assistants. Let's explore some astonishing robots and technologies that will change the world beyond recognition. First up, we have the bionic soft arm, designed for full interaction with humans. Inspired by the agility and power of an elephant's trunk, this robot can work in tight spaces and is soft to the touch, making it safe for human collaboration. Next, we have Festo's Octopus Gripper, a mechanical tentacle with suction cups that can delicately grasp and transport objects without causing damage. Its soft structure makes it completely safe for nearby humans. Meet the robot musicians who play heavy metal and release albums. These robots have been performing concerts and energizing crowds with their unique performances. Say hello to Valkyrie, the robot that may one day accompany American astronauts to Mars. With 44 movable joints and scanning lasers, Valkyrie can perform a wide range of movements and tasks. Furhat Robotics is developing a scalable platform for social robots, creating a fully programmable social robot that can express emotions and engage in realistic conversations. Ronali Circus in Germany has replaced animals with holograms, creating a captivating show with 3D holographic images projected onto a 32 wide and 5 deep arena. Lastly, we have robots like the Labrador Retriever, designed to assist elderly, sick, or injured individuals, and King Louie, an inflatable robot that's lighter, cheaper, and safer than its classical counterparts. These are just a few examples of the amazing robots and technologies that are changing the world. Let us know in the comments what you liked most, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Learn more about the future of reality, what they're not telling you, by clicking on the pop-up videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.